It is a break for investigators. They have found the car involved in a hit and run that killed a construction worker in Clair Shores. 26-year-old Zach Morissette was hit by a car while doing road work along I-94 near 9 Mile on Monday afternoon, and the driver never stopped. But we do want to get to Local 4's Larry Spruill with the very latest on the developments of at least a lead to find out who was behind the wheel.
Yeah, good afternoon, Rhonda. A huge lead. Now, there is a lot of information in regards to that accident that happened here on Interstate 94 in St. Clair Shores earlier this week. Now, it has really affected a lot of our viewers, including police officers and even construction workers. Now, police tell us that a lot of people have called in. They received numerous tips since that accident happened, and we now know that they have found the car of that driver that hit and killed that construction worker. Now let's take a look at some of the video from earlier this week of that scene that we have. Now police said 26-year-old Zach Morissette was killed when a vehicle hit him around 3 o'clock Monday afternoon. Now he was working with the Macomb County Department of Roads crew putting down a patch to fix a broken manhole cover. Now, police said the driver never stopped and they have been searching for the vehicle and driver since then. Again, they found the vehicle and police are still looking for the driver. We spoke to Michigan State Police earlier today about the investigation. Take a listen.
I don't want to get into a lot of details of it because we don't have the driver yet. We're kind of working towards that process now, but we do have the vehicle. We do have some things with the vehicle that is pointing us to an individual. So kind of like I've always said during this time, if you're that driver, be it he or she, come on in.
And again, the good news is they found the vehicle, so they do have that information to go off of. Now, we do have another live report coming up tonight at 5 o'clock, but of course, if you know anything about this case, just give police a call. We're live in St. Clair Shores this afternoon. Larry Spruill, Local 4.